18 of Event 215 Sweden Lane 0, Isimco of St. Stephen High School. Lane 1, Batang Sophia of School of St. Anthony. Lane 2, Osman Daniel of Miriam College Aquatic Team. Lane 3, Naval John Luis of UST Angelico. Lane 4, Monte Alegre Lina of School of St. Anthony. Lane 5, Garcia Limaya of Mayfield Montessori Academy. Lane 6, Dulin Juliana of St. Paul College, Pasig. Lane 7, Kawarang Las Andy of St. Jude Catholic School. Lane 8, Ramirez Marie of School of St. Anthony. Lane 9, Marcelino Lisli of La Concordia College.